Hey everybody, I'd like to welcome you to what we call a back road. Back roads of Indiana. Today I'm going to be taking you on a back road on our way to go fishing. Now if you've seen Friday's video, this video was made after that. We'll talk a little bit about that as we do the back road. But right now, I'm going to take you up to the back road. We're going to get started. I got my tea. I got my daughter with us. And Angie driving. Of course, she drives when we do the back roads. I got to film. And let's enjoy it. That make any sense? It didn't make no sense to me. I hate speed bumps. Put it down in the comments now. Do you like speed bumps? We are on Long Branch Road, y'all. Well, this back road right here, we travel from time to time. This back road right here has a graveyard on it that Angie and I want to film for the last couple years, but there's no way to get to it. So I thought about running this straight through non-stop, but I'm not going to do that to you because this is a pretty long back road. Enjoy it, and we enjoy it together. And you know, what's one good thing about living on a back road? You can have your children in the yard and ain't got to worry about a car killing them. Unlike where we live. But yeah, this is one of the back roads we will take to get to Purcell State Park. And that's where we fishing at today. By the way, first day fishing for 2026. And I'm hoping to do a lot of fishing. But this year's going to be a little different. I plan on doing most of my fishing from Purcell State Park because rumor has it may not have a lake much longer. Rumor has it they may be draining the lake. We was told this from higher authority, that makes sense. We was told this on good terms. The person told us would know something, we just don't know when it's going to be. There's also, they're talking about fixing the dam there. Now, I had mentioned this the last time we went fishing, which was in last August. Actually, it wasn't last time we went fishing. Last time we filmed fishing. I mentioned it then that we learned some information, but I wasn't going to say anything until I knew for sure. Well,
we still don't know for sure.
We don't know for sure. That is true. But the rumor has it they're going to be draining the lake. They're going to be, we don't know what's going to happen from there. Maybe if we see one of the people we know when we go through the gate. We know a couple of the ladies, but the one that tells us a lot of info, maybe she might tell more about that. Or I would ask her. But anyway, whew, I said a mouthful. Try not to do that. Ain't this a pretty back road? Now there's another back road we can take. Takes us to and from the same way, but the reason we don't take this one that often has nothing to do with the road, has every bit to do where the road comes out at. Is a little busier road, and when Angie and I do our back roads that go to from here to there, we try to avoid the busier roads because that's what we like to do. By the way, put gas in my car today. Today is my Sunday. You seeing this farm fresh, y'all. Right here's the cemetery, y'all. Concord Cemetery. We've been wanting to go in there and film that for a while now. So we could probably just pull right in there. See, we was afraid that all this would be private property around the cemetery. But anyway, I got gas in my car, and today is my Sunday, March 22nd. It was $3.75. That's not terribly bad. No. Hi, Bubby. Hi, Bubby. Well, he ain't coming up. And another update. There he is. Then put your head over the seatbelt. There you go. The other thing I want to talk about is these places that we have that's really far out. Well, mainly Williams, Indiana. We're going to do them probably end of May. Maybe before, but I want some trees to get on the leaves or leaves to get on the trees because it's going to be a better setting for the filming. Oh, this is a beautiful road though. Holy. It's got a lot of curves if you like curves. Nothing wrong with curves. Got a lot of farmhouses. Got a lot of farms, obviously. It's got a lot of stuff that you can sit back and relax. Take your time. Roll your windows down, get some fresh air, and do what Angie and I do. We like to live there. We like to buy that. Oh, look at that. Wouldn't that be nice to own that? You know, crap like that. And one of the reasons we go the back roads to for sales is I'm pass up a cabin. Guys, we gotta talk about something. The reason I like to go past a certain cabin, I can show you guys. Matter of fact, right in today's video, I will show you. It's on a whole other back road. It's on our way. Is because if I ever see somebody there, now just because there's a car parked there, I have to see a human being. I'm going to stop the car and I'm going to kick up a conversation with them. And then I'm going to look them straight in the eye and say, would there be any chance at all me filming this cabin and this barn and the surrounding, the creek going through on the other side of the road? Would there be any way you will let me do this? I will not mention your name. I will not mention where it's at. But I want to film this place so darn bad. And I was telling Angie, and this is what you ain't going to believe. And my daughter's probably going to say something on this too. I was telling Angie, some of these places that we want to film and get our foot in the door, I'm willing to pay 20 bucks to them. Now, will I make $20 on the video? Oh, hell no. Nowhere near that. But I'm willing to pay 20 bucks, even 25 bucks to film this cabin. And the reason I'm willing to pay that is it would be, whatever I get on film will be there for everybody to see. Because I think everybody should witness the beauty of this place. It is unreal. Now, nobody lives there. I don't think anybody could live there because it does not have a bathroom. It has a kitchen. It doesn't have a lot of things that we need today to survive. All it is just a raw, old cabin with the barn right next to it. And oh my God, the landscape is just unreal. Just like that landscape. That's so damn beautiful. Oh, I wish I could just turn the camera and just like, look at that, but I can't because there's suction cup to my windows. What's that? Oh, that's a squirrel. That's a
groundhog.
Yep, groundhog. What you doing, buddy? He's a baby groundhog.
Hi, baby.
Look how cute he is. He kind of reminds me of a rabbit. Go on in there. Go on. He's confused. He's confused.
I know.
Oh, yeah, he's definitely confused. He's nervous. Yeah, stop. There he goes.
If they weren't so destructive, they'd be even cuter.
I love all animals, by the way, yo. Doesn't matter. Groundhog, squirrel, rabbit, you name it. By the way, we've been seeing abundance. As we was out and about yesterday filming, and we've seen abundance of squirrels and stuff. Now, the film, the video you seen Friday. Actually, no, you haven't seen this one yet. Your sibling's back there. The video, what?
I was telling that groundhog his sibling was back there.
I think so. The video you're going to see this Friday, I'm not happy with it at all. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to do the editing, but I was seriously off my game. I was in pain because the night before, I killed my back cleaning. Totally killed it more than... My back's bad anyway. Yes. I got a back issue that gave me... I went through many years of minimum pain, but now that I'm getting older, it's killing me. But anyway, I was off my game. I don't think I did the video justice at all, and I didn't like it. But we're gonna edit it up, and I'm gonna throw it out anyway. Why not? It's funny. The videos I don't like are the videos that do well. But look at this beauty right here, y'all. Man, there's a dirt road right off to my side here, to the right. Oh man, wouldn't it be nice to just travel that all the way back and see where it goes? Actually, it starts here and goes over a dry bridge. Man, just to live here. Now this is what you call down in a holler, by the way. You got a mountain, well, a big hill on each side. So this is down in the holler. Sorry, I'm looking. My wife brought up an interesting point. She says, you keep telling everybody you won't tell where the cabins is, but they know the road we're on. Trust me, you won't. Well, if you're from these parts, you will have an idea. Yeah, you will have an idea if you're from these parts.
Yeah.
That's the only reason you only have an idea, because you would pass it yourself. But no, it is not on this road. No, it's actually a good piece from where we're at this moment. But yeah, let's just enjoy some beauty. And I like how my wife pokes holes in things.
I'm sorry. It's my job. I keep telling you that.
It is your job, I reckon. Okay, we're at the end of the road. I will pick it up one more time. We'll go past the cabin so you guys can kind of see what you can see, and then we'll close it out there. Okay, we're going to start filming from right here, and I'm going to show you another beautiful little layout. I got this on film before. Yes, car coming in.
I'm over.
Yeah, geez, give us some room, buddy. Holy. Mother's probably looking at the country, not looking at the road.
Probably.
But yeah, the cabin's coming up real soon. Oh, is that a deer? No, that's a mailbox. You see why I might need glasses sometimes, guys? I thought that was a dang deer.
Or why
Holy.
I drive.
Huh?
Or why I drive sometimes.
Yeah. You don't want to ride with me at night, just so y'all know. No, you don't. I don't like to drive a lot of places at night. Only the places I've been to 100 times, a million times. Because I don't see well at night. No, I don't. That's why I don't drive at night. Alright, the cabin's coming up. You should see it in the distance. The barn. Right here. It's in view. Right there's the barn. And for a minute there, I thought somebody is there, ain't there?
They are.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. I gotta get on game. We gotta see if we see a person, because I don't want to get out and just. Okay, slow down a little bit.
Still don't see a person.
Dang, it's the same white truck as last time too.
Yeah.
Damn. Are they?
Oh,
so
wait.
what?
He's up here.
Oh. You think I should get out and talk to him?
No, God, he looks busy.
He does look busy.
No.
I don't know. Well, my daughter's telling me no because she gets embarrassed, but man, I want to at least tell me he has a beautiful place. Oh, man.
No.
We'll let it go for now. Hey, he's bald-headed like me. We should get along. I would figure I'd get in my way if I'm working. All right, guys. Now we know the white truck that was there last week was a landscaper. Now, we did see some people there back 2 years ago that was sitting on a porch, and we waved at them. At the time, I didn't have any thoughts of filming it. But anyway, we'll show you one more spot, which I know I've shown before in the back roads, but you're going to see it again because it's that dang pretty. I always gave this a little nickname of Little Mayberry. What we're getting ready to go through. Station Hollow Road. Look at this beautiful little setup. We go across a small iron bridge. Beautiful scenery of the creek below. Beautiful barn. Just it's real tiny. And you got this house right yonder here. And you got another house on the right, which I told Angie 100 times, I love to live here. My God, would I ever. I would imagine all three of them people might be related. And then we go up the hill, and you got the big hills on each. Well, I want to call them mountains or not. Big hills on each side. You got waterfalls coming down at certain points, and it is breathtaking. But guys, that's been the back road for today. Hope you enjoyed it. We're headed fishing. Tonight we got storms. So, first time me fishing for 2026. Till next time, leave your comments down below. And you got to see a little bit of behind them scenes. Yeah. About if I should go talk to that gentleman or not. You know, he probably could have gave me, no, I was gonna say, could he relay a message? I even thought about writing a little note on I got a card. I can't show it to you right now. They were made up some years ago. Thought about leaving my card and writing a little note. I would love to have the opportunity of filming your house and blah, 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 and leaving it on the door. I even thought of that. Who knows, maybe one day. Till next time, thanks for watching. Come on, let's get out of here.